Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm doing something a little bit different when it comes to my review. This is a product demonstration and a review. I've actually had these before. This is the Insignia glass screen protector. This one's for the iPhone XR. Now I had the unfortunate circumstance event happen in my life where I cracked my glass screen protector on my iPhone XR, which you can see here. Ta-da! Shazam! Now, it's not really affecting the way I use the phone. It's still perfectly good, but since I do reviews, it doesn't really look all that professional if I have a cracked screen protector on all these different manufacturers' case reviews. So I got this one. It comes with the installation tray. I believe it also comes with the wet wipe in there. Here we go. Screen protector, alignment tool, wet and dry cloths, polishing cloth, dust removal adhesive, quick setup guide. So I'll give you the little walkthrough. I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see all that good stuff and you can watch me install it. I've been very happy with them in the past. I used it on the iPhone 10, the iPhone XS Max. So now this is going to be the one with the XR. So hopefully this is helpful for you. Hopefully you enjoy the change up in the video versus just listening to me talk for like a minute or two while you just look at the product box. And we'll see how it goes. But let's get on with the show. Okie dokie, so time for the installation portion of this video. So what we have here, I have my iPhone XR, I have my Insignia glass screen protector. Now it does have the wet and the dry wipe inside of there. I have one of these on standby, I may use it anyway. I use these Zagg wipes for everything. And then I have my packaging tape because I found that this is the best way to get all the little garbage, leftover lint and fuzz and stuff off there whenever I'm going through the installation process. So go ahead and take the case off. So we'll go ahead and take this off. You see it's cracked right there. Let me get a better look. It broke. So real easy to pop off. No worries there. Just open the box. Alright, so we have our installation tray, which is the bee's knees. The installation guide if you want to use that. We have our wet and dry wipes and also a little sticker to try and take things off. And I actually got the inspiration for using the packaging tape from these when they first started putting them out with screen protectors because they help you get the little leftover lint and fuzz off of there. Microfiber cloth, and then we have our screen protector. So we'll go ahead and pop that out. Okay, so let's go ahead and prep the phone. So I'll go ahead and use the wet wipe first. It says number 1, and then the dry wipe number 2. So can't really go wrong by the numbers. Make sure you clean it off really well, even if you did have a pre-existing screen protector under there, because it will catch things around the edges. You just don't want to mess it up. Especially, this is kind of a one-stop shop thing because I didn't get the 2-pack. I think the 2-pack was like $19.99 or $22.99 or something like that. Make sure you thoroughly clean it. You might even be able to see there's a little bit of gunk on there. Now we'll use the dry wipe. I'm not going to use the microfiber cloth. The microfiber cloths are nice, but they're really good about getting little tiny pieces of lint on there, which is what the sticker is great for, but I kind of want to bypass that step, and I'm just going to use the packaging tape that I got from the dollar store. I've been using it for years. It works out perfectly fine. It would have worked better if I didn't just screw it up. Hopefully I can still salvage this. I had it all pre-staged and ready to go. There we go. Alright, so we'll get a strip wider than the phone. We'll start here at the bottom, systematically work our way up so we can get any leftover garbage that might happen to be on the screen. And this should take care of it pretty good. At least it has historically anyway. Alright, so that should be pretty good. Now we'll go ahead and use the tray. As you can see here, there's a cutout on this side for the power button, a larger cutout on this side for the volume rocker. So we'll just go ahead and place this onto the phone. Now that we have our installation tray on there, just go ahead and take the screen protector, pull that sticker off the back. Here we go. And we're ready to go ahead and apply it. So push it all the way down, make sure you bottom it out on the edges up top. That should be good right there. It seems like I got a little piece under there on the screen protector. It could have worked out slightly better, I suppose. The nice thing is they are slightly forgiving. Don't go ahead and push down all the way until you make sure that you get everything straightened out and in order. Go ahead and get these bubbles out from underneath there. Get this big one there. There we go. And Bob is your uncle. Now you'll see there might be a little bit of some smaller areas with some residue there. Over a little bit of time and pressing on those and using it for about a day, that stuff will go away. These little areas right here, see? Just have to make sure that the adhesive sticks all the way. And then they'll seal up. And then another thing that you can do is, if you are very careful, you can pull the back out there and then you can push down as you're resealing it, and it'll take care of those areas. See? There we go. See how that works? Alright, and there we have our glass screen protector installed on our iPhone XR. So that's all I've got for the iPhone XR Insignia glass screen protector installation. As you can see, not too many hiccups there. It was a little bit of a pain in the rear for a second, but ultimately got it on there, good to go, and now we can go on with our lives because we have a fresh screen protector. So thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. And thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.